Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss worksheet number 6 for class 9th for the date 20th July 2021. Students, this worksheet is based on reading comprehension and let us read this. It is on educational technology or role of internet. So let's start reading. Hello students. COVID-19 gave us an opportunity to explore the role of internet or educational technology in our classrooms. We all know that during these COVID pandemic time, our schools were not working as regular as we have been studying in the past years, and your teaching has been done now with technology, with internet, on WhatsApp, on YouTube, and on Zoom or Google Meet. Your teachers are taking the classes. So now when we are using it, let's look at its impact on us and reflect over. Read the positive and the negative aspects and answer the questions that follow. So here are the positive and the negative side effects or the negative aspects of internet or educational technology. Positive side is it is an effective way to learn. Yes, this is an effective way. It prepares students to use it in future careers. Yes, if we are more savvy now, like we are more comfortable taking classes on Zoom, so the students have also got to know how to attend classes on Zoom, how to attend classes on Google Meet. Students can learn at their own pace and revisit tools. Like you have got a video on YouTube, so you can revisit that link anytime, whenever you want. You can again revise the concept even after a day or two, unlike your regular class where the teacher has taught you the lesson. Now you cannot again go back and you cannot again revise it, isn't it? So it provides access to information on a large scale. It gives you information on a large scale. Yes, if we go by Google, or if we search something on Google or any other site, we get lot of information. Yes, students can self monitor their progress. Students can monitor their progress on their own. They know what they are doing, whether it is right or wrong, like on Google Forms or Google Worksheets. So you get to know what is your score. And students can possibly learn from anywhere. You can learn from anywhere, from any kind of technological tool you can learn. Now the negative aspects of educational technology: reliability on merely looking up information on Google. It is not like your regular teacher who is giving you, imparting you information and having a communication with you. It is only that you are looking the information on Google and you are learning from it. So reliability is only on Google. You can rely, you can trust only on Google. Students may become inefficient learners. Sometimes when you don't understand, Google is not going to explain you. It will only give you information. Like your teachers, they explain you everything once, twice, sometimes 3 times, and sometimes then in the part of revision also they explain you the things. So here on Google you will get only information. You are not going to get any kind of explanation. So you may become a passive learner. You may not become an efficient learner. At times, lack of knowledge about how to navigate leads to false or inaccurate information. Now, at times, we don't know what to search. We know we need to search something on this subject, but what should we search in the search engine? What should we type? What should we search for? So, sometimes this kind of problem also comes in. Handwriting practice gets minimized. Now, we are writing very less, so handwriting is not practiced. Uncontrolled and excessive internet usage is leading to internet addiction. And nowadays what is happening, that we are more on now internet, and this addiction this addiction to internet is now increased. So students, now based on this information that we have just read, let us do these question answers. These are MCQs. Educational technology prepares students for what? Educational technology prepares student for dash, because they get a hands-on practice and learn different tools. They prepare students for future career, right? Now students can learn at teacher's pace, classmates' pace, friends' pace, or their own pace. Addiction means dependency on anything. Dash provides access to information on a large scale. What provides access to information? It is not trees, it is not neighbors. Yes, it is internet. We can avoid internet addiction by self-control, by taking short breaks, by setting a time limit, or all of these. We can control that. Educational technology helps students learn or attend classes from school only. No, we don't need to come to school if we are using a technology. Home only, neighborhood only, or anywhere. It can be anywhere. We need to carry our phone or our laptop or our tablet with us, and we can access educational technology, right? Handwriting practice generally gets dash by educational technology. It is bit too much? No, it is not. It is minimized. It is reduced. To navigate on the internet does not refer to, what does it not refer to? Browsing, glancing, flipping through, or abandon. To navigate on internet does not refer to abandon. Now students, I hope you will enjoy doing this worksheet. Do it fast and then send it across to your respective teachers.